Hi, my name is Barbara Field, and I teach writing life stories, memoir writing for non-writers, and I wanted to give you some tips about writing. So here is tip number 1. Be vulnerable. What most people do is when they write a memoir, they try to make it seem that everything was perfect or shiny or clean, and families and lives aren't completely neat, and they're usually pretty messy. So try to show the shadows, the vulnerable aspects, the parts that didn't make you or your family look so great, because that's what makes for what's really compelling and human. So that's tip number 1 to help you in your writing, and it'll help you write a better, more powerful memoir.